Here is Mercedes GLB with 1.3 liter Renault engine, which is developed together with Mercedes. Obviously, it's a sourced Renault engine. However, let's have a look of issues which can happen outside of the warranty with overlooked issues. She took extended warranty, so the vehicle is 3 years, 11 months old, right? So obviously, as most of the people don't look under the bonnet because they don't have to, because they trust the dealer, right? So what obviously this inspection showed us is oil leaks, right? On these engines, it's quite common to leak around the cam covers because they are tilted on each side, so it leaks on top of it, just behind a high pressure pump. And obviously dealer would not pick up on these things, right? So it's a 3 years 11, so they will wait until it will be significant leak, and then whoever gonna buy it, luckily she has extended warranty through the Mercedes, so they will have to do it, right? But if you're one of the persons who keep it for 3 years and sell it, or maybe keep it for longer, and then you will notice there's oil leak or burning smell, and the Mercedes will find there's oil leak and they will charge you for it. You know, that is the reason you also need to do the inspection independently somewhere, wherever you want. You know, you don't have to do it from car examiner, but just to follow up on things which can be missed during the warranty periods, where dealer could keep quiet about certain issues, like I said, this is not obvious and they will not do it. Some fault codes, you know, which you're not raising issue, which you're not aware. So that's why you need to double check once you will be just run out of the warranty if you do decide to keep the car for longer. Of people who will have it on a 3 year or 2 year contract and they will not care, right? But so this is an example where warranty issue can be overlooked easily as this sort of oil leak developing. Obviously, looking on this, that will cost, I would say, at least £600. This is just one of the examples how warranty issues can be overlooked and you would not be made aware, you know, and the vehicle will break down outside of warranty and they will make you pay, you know.